Priscilla. Welcome to my channel and to this video where I'll show you my weekly glow up skincare routine. And just for a little context, I know I have been MIA, but I am back. I'm having some storage issues because of lot of 4K content, which definitely this phone cannot handle. I mean, I've been creating content for a long time, and then my trip pics and all that. So I recently bought a hard drive, and now I can seamlessly provide content for you and be there with you and connect with you. So without wasting any time, let's get the today's video started. Every week, sometimes in the middle or sometimes on the weekend, whenever it's required, I do this pamper routine, and also I'll be showing you my DIY mask which I prepare to help me detan and brighten my skin, get rid of some dark spots. This really works. So the first step would really be exfoliation, and today I'm not gonna go with toner exfoliation or etc. I'll be going with shaving my face, which helps removes the dead skin over my face which is built over the period of time. And I do not wax or thread my face. I always prefer shaving because it's a controlled way, and going to salon getting it done does not suit me at all. Does not suit at all. I have tried it many years back, but I think it's been 5 years since I am doing exfoliating and dermaplanting my face with the face razor. So that will be the first step. Let's get started. I'll be using this face razor from Sirona to exfoliate my face, and for that I'll be going in downward motion from my cheek, shape my eyebrows and my earlocks. I pull my skin up a bit and then work in the downward motion. Keep this thing 90 degrees on your skin. It will not cause any razor burns. It will not cause any kind of cuts. This is really safe. In my initial days, I was very skeptical to try the razor. Do you see the amount of hair that's coming out in 1 week? I am a hormonal girly. This happens to me. I have PCOS, if you guys do not know. So I would say that I get hairy. I really want to tell you guys that I have been through that situation. These little dots you see, these are all hormonal acne. If I feel stressed, if I'm not in a condition where I feel happy or loved for a prolonged period of time, मुझे बहुत जल्दी acne हो जाता है. My body cannot handle stress. I really can't. And not like I did not used to, but because of PCOS, I'm very sensitive to stress, and ऐसा कुछ होता है तो my body reacts. My body reacts in a very shitty way. I'll also make a detailed video on how I improved my hormonal acne. You are seeing this clear face. It was not like this. My full face was, full of cystic and hormonal acne, and I know how I dealt with it. Even at that time, even जो लोग आपके close होते हैं, जो आपके friends होते हैं, they start taunting you. Oh my God, what happened to your face? Oh my God, look at that. What happened to your face? I got these kind of reactions, and they are shitty. And I don't have those kind of people in my life anymore. So gross. And you should also, because यही लोग are the reason that you have acne. Honestly, if you are in a wrong relationship, or if you are in a place which doesn't value you, you will never heal. Your hormones get triggered. They will never be at rest. So if you are someone stuck in such kind of position, take your time and just move out. Just move out. Take your time. Even I took 2 years, almost 2 years, not complete 2 years, to come out of that job which was not good for my hormones and just giving me stress over and over and over again. I mean, horrible. So I'll just get done with this, and then we move to the next step. So the face shaving or exfoliation, whatever you say, is done. I look cleaner. I'd like to move to the another step, but before that I would like to clean my face for once, because just in case there is any gunk or teeny tiny hair left on my face, I would like to clean my pores. And for that I'll be using this Quench ka face wash. This has matcha and chamomile in it. It's really good. I used it last night, मैंने ये कल ही खरीदा, and honestly this is very gentle on face. It has that jelly texture. Let me show you. It has this sorry, that was the light. It has this jelly texture, and look at the matcha particles inside it. I quickly tied my hair with the pin so that they don't get wet, and now I'll go and wash my face. Let's move to the next step, that would be masking. It's advised that you should use sheet mask or any kind of clay mask to cleanse your pores. Sheet mask is for hydration. So for now I'm using a mask to help me calm down my skin. When I do the exfoliation part or use the razor on my face, my pores really get sensitive and they are ready to be red anytime if I apply anything. So I refrigerated eye mask and my calming mask, which is from Conscious Chemist. This is the mask from Conscious Chemist, and this one is M Caffeine ka under eye patches. You guys know I apply them a lot, and these are one of my weekly skincare routine. For this mask, if I haven't shaved my face, I rather use the Dot & Key one. It helps me brighten my complexion. I mean all the pollution and tanning. But today I will be using my own DIY Detan mask. Next up we're going to that, but for that let me apply this and this. The best part about this mask that this is a jelly mask. It really cools and calms down my skin. It has niacinamide and very complex, which really helps in calming the pores down. For me, this step is very important. That's why I also use the snail mucin. I'm leaving the under eye area because अभी मैं eye mask apply करूँगी. And oh my god, मैंने एक तो रात को इसको रेफ्रिजरेट किया था, ऊपर से इतना cool लग रहा है. It is really giving that nice slimy kind of effect on my face. The best part is I use this one because it has caffeine, and I like it to sit on my under eyes for nice 10 to 15 minutes max. You can wear this mask either ways. Many people like to use this one this side and this part this side. I'll just keep this mask and these under eye patches for another 10 minutes, and then we'll move towards my favorite part, that's the homemade DIY mask. So I'll be back. 10 minutes are done. I removed my eye patches, and now I'll use this microfiber pad to just wipe off the mask. And now I'll move to my most favorite part, that's preparing the DIY Detan mask. Let's get into it. Long story short, I went to Goa in March, and that time I got some serious tan and tan lines. My arms and my face was not matching with the rest of my body. That time I discovered this homemade mask, and it really worked well. In summers I use it every week, but in winters I use it once in 2 weeks or once in a month. That's all I do. So for this mask, what you need to do, you need to take a clean bowl, of course. You need to add a pinch of turmeric into coffee, and also take some dahi. According to your choice, I almost take half spoon, and into that you need to add honey, and I'm gonna use this honey twig. Coffee and turmeric are two main things which are important to help your skin detan. This is how this mask is gonna look. It's orangish brown, so make sure the consistency is well and you don't spill it all over your clothes. So I applied the mask all over the face, but I'm also not gonna leave my neck area. I know I look like a ghost right now, but beauty comes with a price. I'm also applying it on my hand to show you the difference this mask makes, and we'll compare it in the end. It's almost been 15 minutes and we are removing it. Oh my god, look at the glow. I feel better, beautiful and glowing. Indians have solution to everything. Everything. We are Jugadu, we are pro, we are everything. And I was telling you about the hand. Look at the difference. I already see a difference. Do you see it's slightly changed? This one is better. This one is definitely better. I love the glow and I think mission is successful. That's what I needed. So let me take you through the last step. That's just using a moisturizer. I'll be using the moisturizer from Hyphen. I recently got a PR and I never knew that Hyphen products are this good. Kriti Sanon, you did lovely, especially with the packaging. If you can hear, this is not that plasticky kind of vibe. This is really good, really good. Even the product, it comes out, it's literally so hydrating. This is better than the Dot & Key. This did not give me any kind of bumps or acne after applying it, and since my skin is a bit damp, I'm gonna use it. Let me just put it here. Let's just apply it all over the skin. I don't want to rub because today I also exfoliated my face. I'll just pat it into my pores and apply it through my neck. Do you see the glow, guys? That's what I do skincare for. That's all I do skincare for. I want to, keep my skin healthy, keep my hair healthy, keep my body healthy. So it's mostly inside and then it's outside. And yeah, that's it for the video. That's it for the glow. I hope I could help you guys in, educating that these are all the steps I do. You can try it yourself. All the products I use actually are completely bought by me. This is not sponsored. This is completely my purchase and something I legit use every week. And this DIY mask, do give it a try and let me know. And that's it. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes.